everyone, Angela here from the A Mano Baking Company. Today we are here to demo and show you our recipe for pumpkin spice latte loaf cake. This is an absolutely delicious and flavorful loaf cake. I don't know about you, but my favorite season above all is fall. And to me, fall screams pumpkin. If you're one of those pumpkin crazies like I am, you will absolutely love this cake. Especially if you go to the fancy coffee shops and buy slices of their pumpkin loaf cake, I can guarantee you that our recipe, which will soon be yours, will absolutely be better. It is so moist and flavorful. It is inexpensive and quick and easy to make. And bonus is you will be making 2 loaf cakes and it will last you and your friends and your family. Probably you'll eat it in one sitting. So let's get started. First, we're going to be using some melted butter, and we're going to be adding that to white granulated sugar and brown sugar. You're going to want to get that all mixed in and stirred together. And we all know butter makes everything better, so don't be shy here. You could also use melted coconut oil if you'd like to do a substitute. Okay, so once everything is all mixed together, you're going to be adding in your pumpkin puree. Now this is a solid packed pumpkin. You want to make sure you use pure pumpkin and not the pumpkin pie mix that sometimes they do sell in the stores at this time of the year. That has a much thinner consistency and has a lot of extra funky kind of spices that you really don't want in your loaf cake. You want to be able to control the amount of flavoring that you're putting in here. Another really delicious substitute would be homemade pumpkin if you do grow them and you make your own puree, or even sweet potato would be fabulous in this recipe. Once you get everything here mixed well, you're going to be adding in your eggs and your pure vanilla extract. That is very important. Vanilla will add and impart a delicious taste to your baked good. So you want to get everything stirred in here. Mix everything well, and you'll see your mixture start to come together now. To this mixture, you're now going to add all of your dry ingredients. So here we have our flour, our salt, our baking soda, our baking powder, we have espresso powder, and we have our pumpkin pie spice. Pumpkin pie spice is great because it incorporates all of your traditional warm fall flavors. Cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, everything's in there. You're going to go ahead and incorporate and mix in until all the flour is combined. As you can see, this recipe really only takes minutes to put together. And at this time of the year, you want to start putting a couple cans of pumpkin on your shelf. This recipe is so quick and easy, you'll find yourself making it often. Great for breakfast with your coffee, with your lattes, or for a quick dessert, or a lunchbox treat. You want to mix just so all the flour is completely combined and mixed through. Have our mixture all put together. You're going to prepare 2 loaf pans, and you want to make sure you use 2. These do bake up beautifully into larger sized loaves, and you want to spray them with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray before they go into the oven. You're going to divide your batter up between the prepared pans. You want to eyeball it. You want it as even as you possibly can so they bake up at the same time and at the same rate in your oven. Here we go. How quick and easy is this recipe? Okay. Now what I like to do is add a little bit of mini chocolate chips right to the top. To me, pumpkin spice and chocolate go really beautifully together. This is optional, you don't need to use them. You can of course use white chocolate chips if you like, or you could even put some roasted walnuts or roasted pumpkin seeds on top as well, or you could stir them in, whatever you like. The loaf cakes are going to go into your prepared preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 55 to 60 minutes. You want to go ahead and start checking, and you're going to do so with a skewer or a toothpick, and you're looking for a clean hole when you go and test. If you have a couple of moist crumbs, that's also okay. You're going to pull out your pans and then let them rest on a cooling rack for 10 minutes. After you've rested your pans for 10 minutes, you're going to invert the cakes and then cool them completely before slicing. It helps if you use a serrated knife to slice, and you can eat this warm or cold. Like I said, this recipe makes 2 full, big, beautiful, delicious cakes, so you can share them with your friends and your family. And I'm sure that you will really enjoy these for the upcoming fall weather, and let us know how you like them. Thank you. Be well.